Want to fully remove OBS Studio from your Windows 11 PC? I'll show you how to do it step by step. Open the search menu and type Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs from the search results. In the search field, type OBS to locate OBS Studio. Click the three dots next to the OBS Studio application and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Uninstall and allowing any user account control prompts. Make sure to check the option to remove all settings and components of OBS. Click Uninstall again, and then close once completed. Restart your computer to finish the process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.